Meantime, just some important news coming in. All metro services in Delhi have come to a halt, and there has again been a grid collapse of the north and eastern power grid. 7 of North Indian states have been affected. So that is what we are picking up right now. And it seems like repair work will take at least 5 to 6 hours. That is what the power ministry sources are indicating. 6 power plants have indeed stopped generation. That is NTPC quoting as saying. Let's bring in Nitya Balakrishnan to understand where things stand as of now. Nitya.
Well, Aisha, last night we saw some kind of restoration work. We saw the Power Ministry and PTCL kicking in and restoring power significantly after that, loss in the northern grid around 2 a.m. last morning. But this time around, we're given to understand that the northern and eastern grids have collapsed, which means states, not just in northern India, but also eastern India, have taken a hit as a result of this particular collapse. Now, remember, Aisha, we spoke to R.N. Nayak, the chairman of PGCIL, last evening, and he indicated in order for restoration work at the northern grid to take place, they were borrowing very heavily from the eastern and western grid. So as a result, there was a lot of load definitely on the eastern grid, which could be a possibility of why actually the eastern grid has also collapsed today. Metro services have come to a grinding halt. The airport is once again running on emergency operations is what we're picking up. And there is a blackout in Delhi that is currently underway, Aisha. So clearly not good news, and significant borrowing from the eastern and western grids last evening has caused the eastern grid also to collapse this morning. And what we're picking up is northern and eastern grids have collapsed. NTPC coming on record and stating that all their power stations linked to the northern and eastern grid are now not operating.